Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do donuts on a quad. First, always choose a wide-open, safe space, free from obstacles and people. Make sure your quad is in good working order, especially checking tire pressure and brake function. Most importantly, always wear your safety gear, including a helmet, gloves, and sturdy boots, before attempting any maneuvers. To begin, start rolling at a slow, consistent speed, perhaps 5 to 10 miles per hour. Once you're comfortable, turn your handlebars sharply to one side, either left or right, depending on your preference. At the same moment, give the throttle a quick, firm burst. This combination of steering and power will initiate the quad's spin. As the quad begins to spin, you'll need to make small, continuous adjustments to both the throttle and steering. Ease off the throttle slightly if you're spinning too fast, or add a bit more if you're losing momentum. Remember to look through the turn, focusing on where you want the quad to go, not just directly in front of you. To safely exit the donut, gradually and smoothly ease off the throttle while simultaneously straightening your handlebars. Allow the quad to naturally slow down and regain its straight path. Practice makes perfect, so take your time and enjoy the process. For more great tips and to find deals on smart speakers and other cool gadgets, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.